Don't be confused with Chaofan and Chaofan.
Because one is made with fried rice and another is made with rice noodles. We are making the fried rice today.
And not the noodles. Just to be clear, Chaofan or Chaofan is a popular dish in the Philippines. It is also the most common dish in China. Basically it is prepared with day-old leftover rice stir-fried with meats like pork, chicken, and shrimps cooked together with vegetables like spring onions, green peas, corn and carrots. There are no rules on what ingredient goes in as long as you have the following staples such as at least a day-old rice, meat, and onions, vegetables and egg.